In this video, I will show you how to clear all cache in Windows 11 as well as Windows 10. Let's get started. The first step is clearing temporary files. To begin, right-click on the Start menu and select Run. Type in temp in the Run dialog area and then click OK or Enter. You will get to see a list of temporary files. Select all by pressing Ctrl A and then pressing Ctrl D again to delete all the files at once. You can highlight them using the mouse pointer and then right click to delete them all. It doesn't matter. And then you get to see that some of the files may be in use and can be deleted, which is okay. You just have to click do this for all current items and then click on skip and wait as the files gets deleted. The next step is clearing temporary files. For this step, you repeat the previous step by heading to your start menu and right clicking on it. Then you select run once more. Then you type in temp, but you make sure you have a percentage sign before and after the temp in this step. So you just type in percentage temp percentage. Then you click OK. This opens another folder of temporary files. So as we did for the previous step, you highlight or select all the files by pressing Ctrl A and then pressing Ctrl D to delete all the files at once. And then you check the box for do this for all current items to skip files that are unable to get deleted. That's all for this step. So the next step is deleting Windows Update files. For this step, you navigate your way to the drive C. I'll just click on the Windows folder and then head to this PC. I'll double click on the local disk C and then go to the Windows folder and then open the software distribution folder. Inside the software distribution folder, you get to see another folder called the download folder. That is where Windows stores update files. So you would have to highlight all the files and then delete them. You may need to run as administrator to proceed. So just click continue and then wait as the files gets deleted. The next step is running disk cleanup. For this step, you head to the search icon on the taskbar and you click on it and then you type in disk cleanup. Then you right click on the app to launch it. This is the first interface you get to see. You just click OK whilst the drive C have been selected. And then it will scan and then calculate for files that can be deleted to free up space. So you just go through and then you highlight all the files that you want to delete to free up space. As you can see, my recycle bin has 697 megabytes. So I'll just highlight the files that I want to delete. And then you click clean up system files also. And then you get to see this window again and you click OK once more. And it will scan and then calculate for additional space that can be freed on your PC, including old Windows backup and then Windows update files as well. So you just wait as it calculates for the size of those files. As you can see, you can use disk to free up to 19.5 gigabyte of disk. So you can go ahead and highlight some of the files that you want to delete alongside the free up storage you can get. So I'll just highlight the temporary files and the recycle bin and then just click OK. And then you will be asked, are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? You just click delete files and then you wait as the disk cleanup utilities clean up unnecessary files on your machine. The next step is clearing DNS cache. For this step, go to the search icon and then type in CMD. And then you run the CMD as an administrator. Click yes to allow this app to make changes. And then in the command prompt window, you type in this command ipconfig // DNS. Then you click enter. You will see a message that the DNS resolver cache has been successfully flashed. That's all for this step. The last step is resetting the Windows Store cache. Finally, right click on the start menu and then select run. Type in ws reset, then you click OK or enter. This will clear the Windows Store cache. A command will pop up and disappear and the Windows Store will open to confirm the cache was cleared. If you found this video to be useful, consider leaving a like and then clicking on the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel for amazing videos like this. See you in the next video.